Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 14 Ultra and let me share with you how to add the fingerprint to this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll to find the fingerprints, face data and screen lock. Let's tap. Then let's tap on the fingerprint unlock. And let's draw your pattern. If you've got the screen lock currently applied, you will have to enter it to confirm the whole step. If not, you will have to add it right now because it is crucial. You will not be able to add the fingerprint without it, because if for some reason the fingerprint sensor won't work, then you will still be able to unlock your device with the pattern pin or password. Alright, so let me enter my pattern. Here we've got the screen protector tip, which means that if you have anything applied at the top, on the top of the screen, it may affect the fingerprint sensor as it is under the screen. So got it. Here we've got the scanner, so let me put my finger on it. And right now we have to do it multiple times in order to add our fingerprint fully. So try to catch every part of it for better recognition, of course. Okay, we've got it, so let's tap on done. And this is the fingerprint section, kind of. That's the fingerprint we just added. We can rename it or remove it right here. We can add another fingerprint. Here we can decide for what we want to use the fingerprint for. So it's up to you. The fingerprint animation, if you want, you can change it. Just tap on the option which you like and it will be applied. Here, some other options like low light fingerprint unlock and show fingerprint icon when the screen is off. Everything is up to you. Now let me lock the device and let's check if it is working. So let me put my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, the device is unlocked, which means that we just successfully added the fingerprint to it. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.